Are you tired of receiving unwanted calls from specific contacts on Telegram? No worries. In this video, I'll show you how you can disable calls from specific persons on Telegram right from your PC or laptop. So without wasting any more time, let's dive in. First of all, open the Telegram app. Then click on the hamburger menu icon from the upper left corner of the screen. Next, click on Settings from here. After that, click on Privacy and Security. Now from the Privacy section, click on Calls. Next, from the Add Exceptions section, click on Add Users next to Never Allow and choose whose call you never want to get. After that, hit Save. Then click on Save from here and you will not receive calls from them again. Easy, right? So guys, that's how you disable calls in Telegram from specific persons right from your PC or laptop. So if you found this video helpful, then smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.